So looking at investing in Blendid, this is like an automated smoothie maker. And they've got contracts with brands like Jamba, Walmart, and some travel stores, and it's all automated. They're going to get into malls and colleges and airports, and look at this, it's all robots. I really like this. It's got a share price of $2 with a minimum investment. So let's have a look at this. Oh, can we hear this?
Hi, I'm Vipin Jain, CEO of Blendid. Today, I'm going to tell you how Blendid is leading the revolution in food robotics. If this is your idea of a robot, think again.
By the way, I'm going to be mentioning my own thoughts in this. I've done a lot of investments in robotics and automation and AI.
Meet Blendid, a fully autonomous robotic food platform. This is what a robotic food revolution looks like. Our technology opens up whole new markets for meeting the demand for fresh food. Today, Blendid is making smoothies using its fully autonomous robotic kiosk. But smoothies is just the beginning. Our food robotic platform allows Blendid to automate all sorts of food formats, from soups to salads to sandwiches to bowls and more. We have already deployed our first commercial product in multiple Walmart locations, shopping malls, and colleges. In the US alone, there are more than 70,000 high volume locations where Blendid's first commercial product that's already in the market can be deployed. At full potential, these 70,000 locations represent $15 to $20 billion in food sales.
The smoothie market alone is enormous. Over 7 million people purchase a smoothie every single day. Between rising food costs, worker shortages, and the growing demand for fresh on-the-go food, the demand for Blendid kiosks is almost limitless. Blendid has identified the opportunity to deploy thousands of kiosks in the coming years. We target locations that can have annual sales of between $200,000 and $250,000. We are aiming to disrupt the $300 billion QSR market, which includes fast food, fast casual, and managed cafeterias.
Blendid's patented robotic food platform delivers fresh, delicious, and contactless smoothies for on-the-go consumption. It's really simple. Consumers use the mobile apps or the kiosk tablet to pick their item, to customize them, and schedule when they want them delivered.
It's almost like the Uber of smoothies. You can like order a smoothie from your home, and you just come and collect it.
And Blendid,
I wonder in the future if they'll actually deliver as well, like a robot will deliver it. Anyway.
Proprietary food operating system effortlessly prepare those smoothies for on-the-go consumption. Our patented food robotics platform, which is powered by food operating system, is designed to make 9 orders in parallel and up to 45 orders an hour.
Blendid is already catching on, with Blendeds in college campuses, Walmarts, and shopping malls around the country.
Sounds a lot like 45 orders an hour. It's not actually that many. I think in the future, if they could have a number of arms doing this, you know, one would hope they could get it up to like 100 smoothies an hour, just because stores can get very busy and it could get very popular.
We've already served 75,000 smoothies, and we're just getting started. Blendid is on a mission to make freshly prepared food more accessible.
Don't miss your chance to get it on the ground floor by investing in one of the most exciting business opportunities available in the market today.
It's really interesting. Okay, let's have a look. Reasons to invest: it's located in big spots, retail stores, college campuses, shopping malls. We're already working with brands such as Jamba, Walmart, Sodexo to bring Blendid to thousands of customers. 500 robotic smoothie kiosks in contract. Strategic investment from focused brands, parent company of Jamba to scale nationally into Jamba. And they've got marquee investors, including BGV, Partech, and Plug and Play. Lower costs, bigger profits. I know this, the QSR restaurants have really low margins, sometimes as low as 6%, although some good companies, Tortilla, which I invest in, has much higher margins, but anyway. Solve a growing problem. It's 24/7, order in advance from your phone. It's contactless, unique preferences, makes it accessible. They've identified 70,000 locations. I think like somewhere it says about the business model. Yeah, here we go. It's 100 to 125K for a kiosk, and they take between 16 and 22% fee, which is incredible. So if an average kiosk is turning over 200 a year, they could be making like 40K or 44K a year per kiosk. And if they've already got like, what is it, 500 already in the process, that's like a lot of money already committed. And they're just going with smoothies to begin with. What I really think is interesting about this is that they're already in market, they're already testing this. I love to invest in companies that are already doing things. It's good to invest like really early where companies aren't doing things, but it's a lot risky. And at this stage, you can see they've already got these on campuses. You can see people are using these. They're already making revenue. They don't talk much about the revenue, but anywho, I really like it. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Or actually, should we get the deck? Let's get the deck. In fact, you know, I've already seen this on another video. I'm very convinced by this. You know, they've already expanded. They're in 2 different states. They're now partnered with Jamba. They're 13 granted and in process patents. And they're signing with food operator partners as well. They're going to use their funds for sales, marketing, food operations, product enhancement, and new cuisines. It's valued at about $50 million, so it's pretty small at the moment. And I think that even just with, so an early investor has said like how much they've grown just since 2020. Their reported revenue is 64,000, 2021, 276. And that's just from like grow revenue 300% with the addition of just 2 units. So like, as I mentioned, this is going to be like quite big, and they're already doing this, and you could easily see how this could easily jump into soups. Like that's just such a simple use case expansion, smoothies and soups. And maybe they could have one arm doing soups and one arm is doing smoothies and like double revenue. So each unit could easily be, you know, 400,000, and they could be making 80,000 a year, you know, from each unit potentially. They've got a good team here as well. I liked when I saw Vipin in an interview when he was talking to angel investors. Like he started other companies before, which is good. You can see here, he was a CEO of Retrievo before it was acquired by Barnes & Noble. It was recognized in Time magazine as the best shopping experience website in 2011. So he's done this before. He's also co-founder of Telcian, broadband service and provider that was acquired by OnFire by QS Communications. So he's also been in leadership roles. So he kind of knows it's not his first rodeo. He's also got a master's in physics, which is cool. So yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen and give my opinion. Sorry, it's a bit dark in here, folks. It is quite early in the morning. Let's see if my Macs can add a little bit of light. There we go. Yeah, so I listened on a podcast about how other people are interested and excited about the future of robotics and automation. You know, I've been investing in this space since about 2020, and it's now 2022. I think I like to invest in other robotic companies. It's going to be quite hard to know who's going to win the race in this space, but it kind of feels like the future is going to be very much led by robotics companies and companies that are investing in automation and AI and the segue between computer vision to make these robots and robotic arms more smart, more clever, more scalable. So I don't know why I did that, because these are obviously not robotic hands. But anyway, so I'm kind of taking the approach that it's going to be hard to know which horse to pick, but horse racing did very well. It's the same with casinos, to be honest. Like, it's hard to know if an online casino company is going to do well, but like in general, gambling is quite a good investment. Now, I'm not saying I've gone off topic here, but robotics, I think, is a good vertical. It's a good space. I can see it growing, and I am going to invest in it. The minimum investment is 1,000. I'm probably just going to put in the minimum investment just because I'm investing in lots of different things at the moment. It's what I can afford. Listen, if you're considering investing, let me know what you think of Blendid in the comment section below. If you've got any questions, queries, or anything else, let me know in the comment section below. If you're interested in supporting the channel, you can do so by checking out the links in the description. You can like the videos and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon button, because I will be trying to update my community with upcoming trends, upcoming raises, upcoming businesses, which I think are interesting. And if you're interested in the robotics space, I am covering a number of robotics companies. I'm actively investing in these and following the space in general. But I also make other videos on other types of investing, equity investing, property investing, etc., etc. So check out my other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember that knowledge is power, especially the right kind of knowledge, and progress is everything, guys. There'll be some other videos. Check them out. I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Take care. Cheers.